Magandang buhay sa lahat. Sa bagong update ni Liza Soberano sa kanyang personal account, ang ingay ng todo. Dahil di nga nagpahuli muli si Enrique Hill na magbigay ng suporta sa kanyang girlfriend. Lalo lang pinapatunayan ng Lizken couple ang matatag nilang relasyon. Despite sa samat-saring paninira na inumpisahan ni OG Diaz. Ayon sa kanilang solid na supporters, you no longer need validation, gal. As you once said, if you and Ken are confident, loyal in each other, there's no need proving it to anyone. Ken's consistency in liking before us speaks it all. No man can do that for his babe if she isn't loyal. Keep strong, Liza. If Ken supports and trusts you in whatever you do, we are with to deny you our support. The best comment na nabasa ko. Let me enlighten you up about Lizken together. Ken's consistency in liking and supporting Liza speaks volumes. Liza is not what the evil think she is. Ken once quoted, "I will always have your back, no matter what. Love her to death, support her till the day I die." Says this is a perfect match made in heaven. Liza won't speak anything because she no longer needs validation. As she once said, if her and Ken are loyal and confident in each other, there's no need proving it to anyone. Madami ang humagri dito. At isa na ako doon. Very well said, because like Ken, we know the truth. One word to a wise is enough. Eto naman ang nakakatuwa na komento, guys. Baka ma-stroke na mga bashers mo, Liza, ayaw nila, nakikita kang masaya. Natuwa at sobra saya ang Lizken fans. Team panatag nga sila. Just keep soaring, Liza. Lizken fans still support and love you, guys.